Hey guys, I'm Greg with Fix My Bleep channel. Thanks so much for joining me today. So just a quick unboxing video today, but it's a special one. So I've got the G.Skill Trident Z Royal Series RAM. There's 2 sticks in each of these boxes. There's a link in the description where you can find this stuff. Be sure and like and subscribe to the channel. So let's get to the video, you guys. Let's check this out. Alright you guys, so as far as specs go on this RAM, it is DDR4 RAM, 4000. The CAS Latency is 18 on this RAM. The voltage is 1.4 volt, and supposedly you're able to overclock this RAM. You're also able to control the lighting on this RAM, according to the manufacturer. There's 288 pin RAM sticks in here. There's 2 of them. Each stick is 16 gigs in memory, and you're getting that for about $159, available both on Newegg, on Amazon. There's a link in the description where you can find that. So $159 for both sticks. This is desktop memory. Alright you guys, so some good news about this RAM is it looks like it has a very wide range of compatibility as far as motherboards and processors go. I will throw a link in the description that gives you a little chart. You can just plug in your motherboard or your processor and find out if this is compatible or not. But it looks like overall it's compatible with a lot of motherboards, processors, and everything like that. Didn't have a problem at all with my Ryzen 9. So, alright, so let's get to the actual unboxing here. So you'll notice that these come with a nice band on each of the boxes here. It's packaged very nicely. Labels on the back here. G.Skill Trident Z Royal. Made in Taiwan, where a lot of the world's semiconductors come from. Let's get to it, you guys. Looks like a little jewelry box or something, right? Got like a cleaning cloth in here. Comes with a little G.Skill sticker for your computer. Here's what we're after. Here's our Trident Z Royal RAM. Look at that. Check that baby out. So it's got more of a chrome finish, a really polished finish on that stick of RAM. So both sides, just almost like a mirror finish on that. I'm understanding the cloth that it comes with. Let's open up our other box here. Slide the band off. Once again, you've got your polishing cloth. You've got your little sticker for your computer. G.Skill. And then you've got some of the sweetest RAM I think I've ever seen there. Your heat sink built right in. And this will light up across the top here. And supposedly you can program that with your board. Your RGB RAM. And here's your second stick right here. Each of these sticks are 16 gigs. So the new build I'm working on is going to have 64 gigs of RAM. And so that's everything in the box. Cleaning cloth, a sticker, and 2 sticks of your awesome Trident Z Royal RAM. Okay guys, so hopefully this video is really helpful for you. Please be sure and like and subscribe to my channel and check out these other awesome videos. Thanks so much.